Oh, you're doing your ABCs too?
He likes to, I guess he knows me.
Yeah.
He's giving me lovin's.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike with Fowler Family Farm. I got Brennan with me. He's getting ready to help me. We're gonna bring some hay out to the mamas, put some hay in their hay feeder, and fix the hay feeder while we're at it. I did get some metal zip ties, so that's gonna hopefully do the job over there. We don't have to keep repairing this. Hi, Meemaw. Say hi, YouTube, and hi, Facebook.
Hi, YouTube and Facebook. Like and share.
What do you got in your mouth?
Cheese.
Cheese? You like cheese, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
You're just like your mama. Your mama likes cheese too. Yeah, she does.
Do y'all want me to bring you back any taste?
No. Where are you going?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell? I want a Mexican pizza.
You did really?
Yeah, I'll take a Mexican pizza.
Okay. I forgot they had them.
They brought them back.
I know.
Taco Bell brought back the Mexican pizzas, which it's been back for like 8 months, I think. We eat Taco Bell like once a year, but Mexican pizza is my favorite thing at Taco Bell. We'll go in here and take a look at this hay feeder and we'll fix it real quick. What do you want, Rylan?
Garnet.
Garnet tacos?
Garnet, not a garnet taco. I just want garnet.
Oh, you just want the meat. Gotcha. And we got a lot of goats. Rhino, these goats are bigger than you are.
They're scared of me. They're running away.
Yeah, the little babies are scared of you. They're scared of everything but their mama. Be real sneaky.
They're running away.
Gosh darn it. Here, come get this one. This one's friendly. He's a bottle baby, or was. He'll let you pet him. Just walk right up to him. This is one you fed with the bottle.
My name is Sonia.
He likes shoestrings.
Well, I might.
You don't have any shoestrings, do you?
Nope.
See? That one likes you, huh? Okay, so back to this thing again. We definitely have to add this panel piece back on this side. Oh, this goat wants after Millie. That's the littlest goat out here, mama goat. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is wherever we have a regular zip tie, like right here, we're gonna go ahead and put a metal zip tie. Let me see one of those and I'll show them.
I just had it.
So there's not a whole lot to it. Really? You just gotta be the center of attention. So what do you think, Brennan? You ready to do this on your own? Yeah. Have your own goats?
Yeah.
So Brennan's already calling these babies his.
Wait, can I pet this one?
He said, "You're one of my real goats, not a bottle baby." Oh, bottle cap.
Which one is bottle cap? Is that bottle
The one way over there by the fence,
Oh, okay.
by the gate. Yep, that's Bottle Cap's baby.
Seriously, he's stuck again.
He's not stuck.
What's he doing?
Just being adventurous. Okay, it's done. We've got zip ties all over the place. What are you doing, buddy? Are you investigating my tools? Hey. Hey, little guy. Well, hello. Okay, so we've got plenty of metal zip ties on here now. And again, this is just still temporary because my son's gonna learn how to weld this summer. So he will weld all this actually on there eventually. And if you're wondering if I know how to weld, not real well. I've welded these H-posts and corner posts in this pasture for the fence. Me and my uncle did it. He kind of taught me as we were doing it. He does welding for a living. But he's in his late 60s and he doesn't have time and the energy to come out here and do all the welding for us. So he taught me like 2 summers ago, and I haven't welded since. So Brennan wants to learn to weld. He wants to pick up on welding. So he's actually going to go to a school for welding, and I'll let him practice with this and probably practice with some gates and some fencing stuff around here so he can get good at it. He's actually got the tractor. He's getting the tractor right now and he's gonna grab some hay for us so we can put some more hay in our improved hay feeder. Crybaby's letting her babies eat. And that's about how long it lasts. 10 to 15 seconds at most. Well, hello, beauty. Come to see me? Yeah? There's Beauty's baby. Little girl. She's a little cutie. All right, Brennan's ready for me, so let's see if I can do this a little better than I did the four-wheeler in the other video where all the goats got out. So it kind of looks like one of my tires is low too. I need to. No. Can you pull it up? There you go. That's perfect. Just like that. That's good. Yep. so they can get in here and eat this, and I will be able to pull this stuff away and stack it in there for them a little bit easier. When it's laying the other direction on its side, it's hard to pull that hay out. All right, so Brennan's putting the tractor up, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the string. Okay, there's my string. Gotta pick up my tools. This side of the hay is the wet side, that side that's been on the ground. So it just needs to dry out. They won't be able to reach that anyway, so that'll be good. They will be able to reach all this right now. They'll get in here, get their feet up on this and eat this too, so this is good. They'll eat this down. It'll take them probably a month. I see Tanya coming. Look at her. Tanya's way over there. Hi, Tanya. Say hi to YouTube and Facebook.
Hello.
Okay, so we let the goats out. They'll get out there and eat that green grass anyway, so here comes Tanya. Let's say hi to her. How beautiful.
Hola.
Just get off work?
Yes.
How was your day?
Long.
Long.
Yes.
I bet it was. All right, so we got new hay out here, Mama.
Yay. Oh, new clamps.
Yes, we did the new clamps. It's looking like it's working pretty good. I'll give y'all some close-ups of them.
Oh, that's better, yeah.
Yeah, like here's one.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, here's one. It's kind of flimsy. I don't think it will.
Yeah, it
hurt 'em,
won't.
actually.
So go ahead and show them that real quick.
Yeah,
Tanya.
it's really flimsy. So if they get up against it, it's just gonna bend. It ain't gonna hurt them.
So
that's.
I thought at first we should cut these, but it's so flimsy and it's not pointed at all. It's not sharp. And the ones I did cut, I kind of regret cutting because they're actually sharp now, and they're not as flimsy because they're real close and they're a short piece and they're stiff at that point.
Maybe we should cut it
It's
off.
that top one right there.
Oh, yeah.
You feel it? Yeah, and it is sharp.
Yeah.
So I think I'm just going to tuck them up under some of the other wire, other panel, and I just won't, I won't cut these. So anyway, I think we're going to leave them long, not cut them. I know typically you want to cut those things, but in this case, I think it works against you. Hey, before you cut it, let me show them. Or did you already cut it?
I didn't. You want to show them what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Is this how we do it?
Yeah. You'll have to tighten it with the pair of pliers and needle nose.
Or fingernails. Maybe not.
You may be able to get it tight enough.
And then I'm gonna.
So
cut
here's the
this.
one I cut, and you can see.
It's pretty tight. It's pretty
Let me-
sharp.
So let me show you the cut end.
Right there.
Yep.
Perfect.
Big trash day. Well, big dumpster day. It's not big trash.
She's so fuzzy.
Yeah, Tanya caught her a cute one.
They're bigger than they look when you get them in your hands.
Yeah. Yeah, they're growing fast.
They are.
So this is one of the little girls that Brennan's gonna get to keep.
Maybe.
I know, it's our first girls from Crybaby.
Yeah,
Crybaby's always giving us boys.
I know.
And this year I already agreed that Brennan could buy all the girls, and of course, Crybaby gives us twin girls.
You may have to wait 1 year.
At least for Crybabies.
Yeah.
Hi, cutie. Cute, aren't they?
They're pretty.
Are you gonna try to catch that one?
You already got your running shoes on, don't you? It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, you're another Crybaby.
Oh, you are just like your mama.
You are a little Crybaby.
Just like mama. Both of them crying.
We'll have to think of other names for Crybaby.
No. Wah wah.
Ball,
Ball bag. BB.
ball bag. Yeah. She's crying for her mama.
Oh. Ball bag and whiner.
Whiny. Whiny and
Winnie.
ball bag.
Ah, she's
Winnie.
like horses do.
All right, you guys give us some suggestions on these two girls. They're Crybabies, and y'all know we stick with the theme of the mom. Like Oreo is a cookie, so all of her descendants from here on out will be cookie or candy type names, like York, ginger snap, Samoa, snickerdoodle, caramel.
Coconut, caramel.
Yep. So coconut. This is Crybaby. So there's a couple of different directions we could go with this. Crybaby is because she was crying all the time. That's why we named her Crybaby. But you also don't put baby in a corner.
Oh
We could go that route. You can't put baby in a corner, whatever that
yeah.
dirty dancing deal is. But anyway, give us a couple of names here that relates to Crybaby. They are cuties.
I want to reach down here and get this little bitty one.
This one's a bot. This one will let you grab it, Mom.
Yeah.
It's a bottle
boy,
baby.
right?
Yeah, it's a boy.
God, he's so cute though.
I know.
He's gonna turn into a buck someday though. Ugh.
He won't be cute for long, will
No, he won't. Look at him though.
Yeah.
He's so cute. Hi, buddy. Are you gonna eat my hair? You gonna eat my hair? Huh? You gonna eat my hair?
Uh-oh, here comes Rylan.
How did you get in there?
I went through the fence. You can get in.
Okay.
You wanna hold the baby?
Yeah, when I come in.
Okay.
He's licking you.
He's like, you look familiar.
I'm used to you feed me with the bottle.
You remember me?
Hi, Rai. You tired?
Are you tired?
No.
Oh.
All right, you want to hold the baby?
What was that big sigh?
Or you want to pet this one?
Hold this one?
Yeah, I can hold that one. Hold or pat.
You can hold, just don't squeeze real hard, okay?
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
A, B, C.
She's so sweet.
Cute,
Or
huh?
he.
G,
It's a little boy.
baby shark, shake, shake, L, and a B.
Oh, you're doing your ABCs too?
He likes to. I guess he knows me.
Yeah.
He's giving me lovin'.
Y, and Z. No, ABCs. Next time, want to sing me again.
Sing me again.
Singing me again.
Good job, Rai. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little picture of what these zip ties look like when you cut them. And I'll try to zoom in and give you a good look, but they become real stiff when they're a short piece. And when you cut it, it's sharp. So it's real flimsy. These are flimsy and they're not sharp at all. I can run my hand across here and it's perfectly fine. But I did notice when you cut them short, they are a little sharper and stiff. So I think we're going to decide to not cut them right now unless I can find a way to make it a little better once you do cut them. So we got a lot done today. We've accomplished a lot of things. Last few videos that y'all have watched have all been shot in one day. And that's because it's so beautiful out here today. I mean, it's literally no wind. I should have got my drone up. I didn't. Anyway, there's hardly, like, zero wind. You guys shouldn't hear any wind noise in these videos. So I took advantage of it and did a lot of video shooting today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all these videos. I actually got a lot accomplished. Felt good. I go back to work tomorrow. We'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, do the good. So you want out?
Hey, let me see a baby goat sound.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, you are a baby goat.
I'm not a baby goat.
Okay, so you want to come out with us then?
Are you a big girl goat?
Bye bye.
Let
You're
me
Rai
hear
Rai?
You're a big girl goat. Ooh, that sounds like a baby goat.
That's a baby
It's
goat.
a cute goat.
I'm not a baby goat.
So you don't want to stay in with the baby goats?
No.
You want to come out?
Yes.
Okay, well get down and I'll open the door.
Oh.
I'll open the gate.
How do you open it?
You got to raise up on it.
Lift it and then pull.
Whoa.
All right, go. Good job.
Can I do it?
It's heavy.
No, it's not.
There you go. Good job.
Fowler family farm. Come along and ride with us through this life's journey.